Welcome. It is our Olympic time.
Hey, give them a run, no give them a run, yo. Give them a run, no give them a run, yeah. Give them a run, no give them a run, yeah.
Before I even get into the meat of the matter, first of all, Father God, thank you so much for making this year Olympics in a real keep in a one time were directly proportional to my beauty race.
Amen.
Yeah, come I never used to like I wake up like 2:30 if I watch finals and then look at something there. Where that I go? And speaking of rest, big up to all of the 7-day Adventists them that was our watching the Olympics on a good Sabbath. I don't watch the Olympics. You tell me now. I'm gonna take mommy there and pre that one race, yeah.
Others, probably not as impressive as Bolt, Powell, and Thompson. Bolt is the current world fastest man lowering the world record to 9.72. So with the Olympics being the biggest stage for the fastest performance. Once they're away, it's
Then they have some field events to start, and first up was Frederick Dakers for the discus throw. Boy, I didn't know it rough by you. Look like, no, somebody salty up. Some crosses out there on the field. You need little lime and water and them because some of them just cut and clear all of the crosses. What did they pay the day there? So also on Friday, the track section start, aka the part where most Jamaicans genuinely actually care about and not pretend to care about like the other Olympic events them. So first up was the 400 meters men. So Fitzroy Dunkley, him come forth in a film heats and boy, I did that open praise, him would make it as one of the fastest losers them, but boy, I just never film look. Then star boy Rashid McDonald come in second in a film heat, so him gone through to the semi-final. And then there was Javan Francis. Boy, Javan Francis, you nearly give the whole of Jamaica a heart attack when them say you come off of the curb, and you see everybody head back. But little did they or does her know that is when you see head back and that kicky in the donkey man in you and you run come up and cross finish line. And the head back them make the donkey in you kicky in. Hee-haw. So in the end, him come third and him gone through to the semis. So now to the part of me actually want to talk about the bull foot 100 meters for women. The 100 meter heats for the start and good body, nice clean barbecue chicken leg Shelly-Ann Fraser. Yeah, me the kind of want to give her one get a name, but you're not getting more rare than Shelly. I want a real good girl name. Oh, no offense. You better call Shelly with the good hair. Oh, so let me talk about this commentator. This commentator for ESPN. So this old amphibian of a commentator, they just texted from Shelly today and decided that him going to be very petty and shady towards her. Him see Shelly a warm up in a little ear, right? And come and talk about her ear, but oh, is she wearing Brazilian colors or is it Jamaican? Really? Really though, brother? No man. The brother get me upset, man. Tell me all I show bound to kill a face.
Anger, rate, management.
Then the commentator decides that him going to take it up to another notch. See the brother here? And he decides he's not going to take it up to Yasso. And go home in mouth and go say, well, if Shelly-Ann Fraser works as hard as her hairdresser, she'll definitely get back into good form. No, people. Tell me if the brother need a chin padlock. Brighton, out of order, and liberty taking. So anyway, trying to bump up here, Elaine. I don't know what she do the trying to bump her if it's still a one. I'm not even remember if I see it. She gone through, you know, to the semi-finals as well as expected. Shelly gone through to the semi with the fastest qualifying time. And then there was no me with Pauno. Me with Pauno. When you really go to see the girl go through to the semi-final, I just not even gonna know her name. When you just not gonna try to know her name. Listen to me, read my mouth. Look at my mouth. Look at my mouth. Read what is coming out of my mouth. Her name is Christina Williams. And she is through to the semi-finals. So I can't learn anything, support the girl too. Need for the better, I swear. I need for the better. No, the little upcoming people them. Not because them don't get to know, not because you don't get to know gold medal or silver medal or bronze medal from them. That means I can't save them in a cranium. So that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Bear show. Make sure that you like it, comment and share, subscribe. Look out for my review of the 100 meter women's final. And subscribe to me on my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at Dirty Bear Show and on Snapchat as well. Me on Periscope, Dirty Bear Show. If you want email me, book me or anything, it is dirtybearshow@gmail.com. Alright, till next time, take care. No, I feel like I'm gonna name Shelly Wig. Is that wig or a weave? I think I'm gonna name Shelly Wig. I'll call it Prudence. Yeah. So Shelly Rear Wig, it name Prudence. Yeah. No, I think I'm gonna name the wig. I'm gonna name Shelly-Ann Wig or weave. I'm gonna name it Chiquitita. Chiquitita, ooh Chiquitita, love me Chiquitita,